Hi Pisces, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be exploring all areas of your life and give you messages about everything and anything as I receive it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for me and also the bell notification icon on the side so you get notified when I'm sending out videos for you. Also, if you like a pick a card reading, you can go to my pick a card reading I did just in the month of January, and that might resonate with a lot of you Pisces. If you also like a free reading, please head over to my Instagram and Facebook accounts. That's where I often go live and answer your questions for free. So the overall energy for the month of February is Page of Wands. Something seems to be moving for you here, Pisces. Something that was stagnant is now moving for you here. This could be even you traveling. Let me get you some more cards and then I'll begin to elaborate on the same. Yes. So Pisces, I feel like you are either moving out and away from a situation or a person who may have felt a little too dominating for you, or this could be you trying to overcome some obstacles or some hindrances in the past, and you're finally able to get over those now in the month of February. I also see a Three of Swords energy. This could be someone between you and someone you have on your mind right now. It could be a third party situation. Third party situations don't always mean that there is another person in your life. This could be work, this could be an event, this could be something, this could be a family member too, or someone just very strongly present between you and the person on your mind. I also feel like Pisces, that there is a bit of an emotional distance, or there are unresolved issues between you and this person. I also feel like some of you Pisces are going to say, let me just stop thinking about it for a while. And you're going to focus on your work, career, job, employment, money. And you're slowly moving out of this energy where you felt either overburdened or you felt that you were being taken for granted, and that you were not being given due credit for your work. I also see Pisces for you in the month of February, that a lot of you Pisces are also going to feel a lot more in command of yourself and your circumstances and situations. I also feel Pisces that a lot of you may even be going out to throw some kind of party or organize people, or you could be interacting or talking to a lot of people about something going on in your life. I also feel like Pisces, that you are healing and recovering from, this has got to do both physically and emotionally here. And I feel like you are going to take a back seat for some time. Give a lot of thought and attention to what it is you want to go forward with in your life, and this I see primarily has to do with your finances, career, luck, money, job. Some of you may be even thinking about starting a business or contract or signing a contract. What else do we have for Pisces? You get the card of Queen of Swords, which is very interesting, as I was just speaking about you people finding a lot of confidence in the coming month, in the month of February, and moving out of this month feeling enlightened, feeling very powerful. But this power is not going to show in the form of overconfidence or aggression. It's just going to be there, giving you or empowering you to channelize this energy in your new ventures, in new directions in life. I also see you Pisces are going to, some of you Pisces are even acquiring something here. What is it? I don't know if you're looking to make a big purchase, are you? I feel like Pisces, you feel like you're not able to move forward, but now things are moving for you in the right direction. You also get the Four of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. This is something you don't see. So you're being asked to keep a tab on your and keep a check on your savings, and not go overboard with them, or not to speculate, not to gamble, not to invest in anything long term right now. That's not looking very favorable here. Also, with the Nine of Swords and Hangman energy, I feel like you feeling quite stuck in your situation, which you were in the past. But now someone comes in, or you finally feel that help and support pour into your life that leads you towards a more mature and a stable, emotionally mature and stable times. You get the card of Ace of Cups, so this Knight of Cups comes in with their heart or a lot of emotional support and love for you. This does not have to be a couple thing always, Pisces. This may be a person, um, but this is not a king yet. So, and this person is much above the page state. So, this person has something to say to you, something to offer to you, and this may be a lot of they come from a lot of place of love and affection for you. Whatever their advice and guidance is to you is genuinely something they feel for you, is what I get. Okay. Whatever was keeping you tied down, and now Pisces with the Ten of Swords followed by the card of the Chariot is telling me that you're moving into a new cycle in life. Also, there is the card of the Devil. Now, for some of you Pisces, definitely there is temptation, there is some kind of addiction here at hand. This could be you, or this could be someone coming towards you who's feeling very, very drawn towards you. And this is the devil energy, Pisces. So I would say that you need to keep yourself strong here. You also get the card of Two of Swords, and followed by um, following the Two of Swords is the Knight of Cups energy and the Ace of Cups energy. So what I get here for you, Pisces, is that you could be moving out of either, or deciding to move out of an old cycle, old relationship, or old situation, and maybe wanting to or getting tempted to try hand at a new relationship or someone. So I just heard the beeps, and this could very well be the beeps or angel messages pouring in for you to pay attention to. You are in two minds right now, whether to stick with the old or to go forward towards the new. But somehow I feel like you need to avoid a temptation here, and this is going to be very, very irresistible. You also get the card of the Moon. So I feel like Pisces, whatever this is, drawing you or attracting you towards this could even be a venture, or this could be a person who looks to, gift wrapped in a very, very beautiful package. I feel like Pisces, there are a lot of things that are hidden I don't know why I'm stammering so much in your reading. Probably this is the confusion or the state of confusion you guys are facing at this point in time. Nevertheless, with the card of the Moon, I feel like there is a lot hidden under the surface, and you need to be a little cautious when it comes to trusting other people and what they have to offer to you. I'm very strongly also sensing other water signs here, Cancer and Scorpios in your reading. Yes, and there's also the Capricorn energy. You also get the Nine of Pentacles, Pisces. I kind of feel like at this point in time, all that you look forward to, or mostly something that you want in your life, is financial abundance and that security that says, yes, I'm ready and I can go out in the world feeling unrestricted or tied and bound by my circumstances. And this is you taking that leap of faith here in towards the new world. But you're not doing it, you're doing it with a lot of caution here though. You also get the card of the Hermit, which is the Virgo energy. I feel like Pisces, there is someone here who could be inspiring you to turn in, or this could be you of getting a lot of intuitive guidance. You could be soul searching at this point in time. But I feel like Pisces, you are going to give something a lot of thought and then proceed. But when it comes to relationships, there is something that is definitely asking for your attention, and asking you not to trust people who coming towards you with their hearts very easily, just for your own safety and protection. What's the advice for Pisces? You get the card of healing. Very soon you're going to be out of this energy of confusion and stress that you've been feeling for a while now, Pisces. I also get the card, like I said, you're going to be out of this energy very, very soon. Four of Swords is followed by the Seven of Swords energy. And I feel like you are definitely coming out on top, fighting your circumstances and winning over everything. You are mostly dealing with your own situation, your own feelings, and the inner conflicts going on in your mind, between your heart and your mind right now. So, all right, that's what I have for you for now, Pisces. I do hope you can join me on Instagram and Facebook, where I often go live to offer free guidance there. You can ask me your questions, and I'd be really happy to answer them for you. But for now, please do hit the like button for me. I'd hugely appreciate it. Also, if you can share this video with someone who might need to hear this message, you would be a sweetheart just for that. Thank you so much. I'll catch you again soon. Bye bye.